I'm still going there.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications. But we're going to get right into this video. So right now I'm showing you that I am sewing on a lace wig. It has adjustable straps. It's in the size medium, and it's a black lace wig. And then I'm showing you that I'm going to be using a curved needle, and I've already threaded 3 of them just because I don't want to keep stopping and rethreading the needle. So this is the same hair that I did the review on. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go check that out. Okay, so right now I'm showing you that I'm sewing above the band. This is the adjustable strap. You do not want to sew on the adjustable strap because it won't be able to adjust. So make sure you sew above the band. So before I started, I actually tied the ends of the thread with like 3 knots just so when I sew through the weft, it will stay attached to the wig cap. And as I continue to sew, I'm actually sewing under the weft, not through the weft, but you will get a closer up shot in a minute. So right now I'm showing you that I'm flipping the hair back. I'm not cutting any wefts. Just make sure that the hair is extremely flat when you do this. So I am making another knot through the weft, and by doing this I am wrapping the thread around the needle about 2 or 3 times. So this is me finishing the first bundle, and remind you, I did order 3, so I only had to use like 2, almost of 2 in all, and I also did not double the whips. So right now I'm showing you what I have left to sew, and I'm actually going to start sewing across instead of going around the head. So this is what the hair looks like completely finished, and this was my first time actually sewing a wig or creating a wig. I actually think I did a pretty good job, so give this video a big thumbs up like right now. And the last thing you do is cut the lace out of the wig. So this is a U-part wig. I'm cutting the lace, and make sure you do not cut the thread, because if you do, you will have to start all over. So you guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the post notifications. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.